This short video will demonstrate using My Pictures website to print my pictures on various products. Go to the Black Friday page to access the links. Select News Articles. Select Black Friday 2022. For smaller items, you want to select My A6 prints. Select Print by type. Select Villages. Select Town of Balgownie using the blue button. Scroll down to select A6 size from the drop-down menu. To get the image, click on the image twice and right-click to copy the image address. Click the X to close window. Click Add to Basket. Click View Basket. Click Proceed to checkout. Fill out your details. We will come back to this page in a few minutes. You need to get the details of what you want on the My Picture website, so click on the Black Friday tab. Click Photo Gifts. Select what you want to look at. I will pick mugs. Select the type of mug and click Upload Photo. Click into File Name, right-click and paste the link to the image. Click Open. Click on the option you prefer. Select the quantity. I will pick 6. Review your order. If you want to check another option, go to the top of the page and select an alternative product. We will check out the towels. Select size. To check the postage, click Add to Shopping Cart. You could save the £6 shipping fee by adding to your order. Try adding some cups to make the order up to £49 for free shipping. Don't place your order. I will do that for you using images without watermarks. Copy your order by clicking beside the P of product. Hold down the Shift key. Scroll down to the grand total. And click beside the price. Now right-click and copy. Go back to my website using the tab at the top of the page. Scroll to the Notes section. Right-click and paste. Select Bank Transfer as the method of payment. I will invoice you for the complete order and you can pay by card or transfer then. Click the Terms and Conditions. Click Place Order.